I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing in. Use the Facebook app or desktop. Once signed in, tap your profile picture and then the three-dot menu to access profile settings. From there, select Activity Log. This view shows everything you've done. You're doing this now because disabling visibility requires walking through each entry type. So open the Activity Log and pause. Make sure you're on your own account and not a managed page, because privacy controls differ between profiles and pages. Once inside Activity Log, use the Filters button to narrow to posts, tags, or specific actions. This saves time when you have many entries. Then tap Manage Activity when you see it. That enables bulk actions like archive or delete. Review selected items carefully because choices like delete are permanent, while archiving hides content but keeps it retrievable. Make decisions item by item when unsure, and make sure to confirm each bulk action. To finish, go to Settings, then Privacy and Timeline and Tagging. Change who can post, who can see posts, and enable review for tags. Also audit apps and websites. Remove permissions for services that auto-post because that prevents new activity entries. Once done, double-check privacy shortcuts to set past posts to friends only or more restricted options. If something still appears, use the Activity Log search, then delete that specific entry. If it won't delete, log out and try again or update the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.